Wadonjo weche mag tuke. Tim mar Kibera Soka Women manie liga maduong' mar mine pacho ka kawuono loyo Gideon Starlets gol 1-0 e tugo manogo James Cambridge International School e kar dak makare Nairobi. Ese Akida emano loyo gol makende no e dakika mar 34 bang' yudo pass kowuok kuom Pauline Natieno. Gideon Starlets emano yudo thuolo mathoth mag loyo, to kata kamano ne ogitiyo gi thuologo makare. Kocha mar Kibera Soka Women George Okalo onyiso mor mare gi point adego kata obedo ni gisebet kuom kinde kapok gigocho.
Number one, I'll tell them how proud I am because they played hard. You know, I thought they played very smart. You know, we were able to maintain good possession. You know, maybe some of the decisions were not the best, you know, from the midfield. But with that being said, you know, we pressed really high, didn't give the opponent a chance to build out of the back. You know, so overall, very proud of my team.
Wasichana wamejituma. Huwa tunasema kwamba football ni game of moment. Opponent walikuwa juu, ukiangalia first half walitrade sana, but tulikuja kupick up although it was so late in the second half, but all in all tume lose, yes. Najua tunarudi kwa drawing board so that tuangalie where the mess was, then we are going to correct.